Hey guys, and today we are making Chom in Lucky's Kitchen. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. Post notifications on all so you won't miss any great videos from Lucky's Kitchen. Make sure to click that like button, share if you want to. It would be really nice to, and make sure to always subscribe because you can't wait for the content that is coming up. If you want to know how to make chum, here are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon of suji. This is how you make the caramel, half cup sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucky's Kitchen, and today we are making chum. So you'll need a few things. The first thing you have to do is make sana, which is milk, boiled milk. Yum! Now we're putting the Ras Malai into the pan. enjoyed the video about learning how to make Chom. I hope it was great. Other than that, comment down below if you tried it and you liked it. We'd love suggestions of new content or what to make or how it went. So also, make sure to subscribe right there and like the video right there. I'll see you guys next time.